Most people pick a life insurance number by feel, and they're usually low. Here's the actual math. Start with 10 to 12 times your income. Add every debt that would follow your family, the mortgage, the cars, anything personally guaranteed for a business. Add what college would cost if that's part of the plan. Then subtract what you already have, including any coverage through work. That number is usually a lot bigger than what people guess. And here's the part that surprises them. Term life is cheap. A healthy 40-year-old can often cover $1 million for less than a decent phone bill. One warning about the policy at work: it usually ends the day the job does, and it's rarely enough on its own. If you own a business or you're the higher earner in the house, it's worth a real conversation. Call us at 800-666-2254 or text QUOTE to 817-646-6700. That's TAP Insurance.